In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hyphenation and language-specific typography in PowerPoint. If you work with slides in different languages or want your text to look more polished, these settings make a big difference. Hyphenation helps balance line breaks, so text blocks look even and professional, and language settings ensure spelling and hyphenation follow the correct rules for the language you're using. Advanced typography, like ligatures, can subtly improve readability and give your slides a refined finish. Start by clicking the text box or highlighting the exact text you want to format. Selecting the whole text box applies changes to everything inside it, while selecting a portion lets you target just that section. This matters, especially if your slide contains multiple languages or styles. Next, go to the Review tab, choose Language, and select Set Proofing Language. Pick the correct language for the selected text, and click OK. This setting tells PowerPoint which dictionary and hyphenation rules to use. It affects the selected text only, which is perfect when you have different languages on different slides or within a single slide. If you're not seeing the expected checks or hyphenation behavior, it often comes down to the chosen proofing language not matching your content. With the language set, select the text again and head to the Home tab. In the Paragraph group, click the small arrow in the lower right to open the paragraph dialog. Here, enable hyphenation if it's available for the language you chose. When it's on, PowerPoint will break longer words across lines as needed, avoiding awkward gaps and keeping edges neater in narrow columns or justified text. If the option is grayed out, it may not be supported for that language in your version. You can immediately see the effect on the slide as lines even out and spacing improves. For typography refinements, open the Font dialog from the Home tab by clicking the small arrow in the Font group. Look for options related to typography, such as ligatures. When supported by the selected font, turning on standard ligatures replaces certain character pairs with smoother designed combinations that improve flow, especially in headings and larger text. Some fonts also offer additional features like stylistic sets and numeral styles. These appear only when the font includes them. If you don't see the options, it simply means the current font doesn't provide those features. That's it. By setting the correct proofing language, enabling hyphenation where available, and applying typography options like ligatures, your PowerPoint text will read more naturally and look more professional, all without changing your message.